Good morning, good morning. Of course, today is 8/29, August the 29th, and I'm Jay, the trader, back with the bond breakdown. Let's take a look at it, see what we can get into today. Today we have a lot of announcements at 8:30. We have GDP and international trading goods, jobless claims, corporate profits, retail inventories, wholesale inventories, and all of that is 8:30. So it's going to be a doozy at 8:30. At 10, we have pending home sales. 10:30 is the natural gas report. Then we have some bill auctions at 11. The 3-month, the 6-month. The 4-week is at 11:30. The 8-week is at 11:30. Then we have the 7-year note auction at 1. The Fed balance sheet comes out at 4:30, and so does the money supply. So it's a day chocked full of announcements. Okay? Definitely want to be safe and know when those announcements are coming up. Let's take a look at some charts and see exactly what we can get into, what we have cooking up. Okay, well, we have an overnight high of 167.08. That high was put in kind of around the 2200 bar, 2300 as well. I think kind of retested it, so we have to look at that smaller time frame. Funny thing is the market started to the upside today and then has since returned down. Looked like the start of the market was like around 166.12. So buyers had it for a little while, sellers took it for a little while, and then kind of like right back where it started, so to speak. We have a low that was put in during our 5 o'clock bar. That low is at 165.23. And we have some gap business to do, of course. You know, the sellers kind of took control of things around 3 o'clock this morning, and they really did not let up. We have an overnight range that is pretty big. You know what I'm saying? 165.24, so 66.24 plus another 24.816. So it's like a point and a half that we have for a range. So it's a big overnight range. I think we'll be inside this range today. Probability says that we won't be able to get outside of it in any direction. So we'll be trading inside of ourselves, which makes sense because this is a major turning point on the daily chart. We don't know if we're going to be going up or down. Excuse me for that bad filming. So it's a turning point. So it makes sense that we trade inside of a range today. Let's go take a look at the 5-minute chart as we still prepare. We do have a lot of gap business, price jumps, other things like that. That high, like we said, was tested 167.08. It was tested at 2145, then again at 2205, and then a cluster from 2235 over to 2250 before the buyers couldn't take it any further up. And that it looks to be the bottom of yesterday's ORT. So it's kind of making sense that sellers are trying to be in control. However, here we are with price right back where it started. Like I said, we started 166.12. That's real. That's where we opened. The sellers tried to take it down immediately, but the buyers bought it back up. So I think there's some business to do above. We'll see if it comes out during the reports around 8:30. If not, then it'll probably come out sometime today. But I imagine that we can get up as high as 166.28 at least, maybe even 166.31 before any other business happens today. Look, guys, that's the bond breakdown. If I had to make a decision on today, I would say, buy the lows and sell the highs, stay inside the range and be safe. Keep your stops nice and tight. I don't expect any fireworks as far as breakouts. I think that we'll be trading inside of our range all day today. Keep an eye on the ES and use it like an indicator. Trust me, it works like a charm. And until then, make sure you trade safe. Don't be stupid. Don't let the market fool you. And of course, I'll see you tomorrow with more of the bond breakdown. All right, guys, take care.